Hey guys, Steven of Salon Guy here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to upgrade your services, how to sell retail, and how just to be a better business person if you're in the salon or even barber industry. This video and other great content I'm bringing to you guys is in partnership with Salon Iris, which is a salon and spa software management system. It's essential if you want to increase your business, you want to run your business more efficiently, and it's definitely worth checking out. If you would like a very nice, generous discount, please go into my description below and you can call that number and mention that the Salon Guy sent you over, and you'll get a nice discount every month off of your subscription with them. Definitely check it out. So let's jump right into the meat and potatoes of a few things if you're a barber or you're a hairstylist. Everybody wants to make more money, right? There's a number of ways to do it. Let's go over the first one. It's upselling services. Now, nobody wants to sell in the salon industry. I know it. And the people that do are already doing really good at selling. But I've talked to hundreds and hundreds of stylists over the years, and a lot of them are afraid of selling retail or afraid of selling themselves. Well, what if I can help you remove that word fear from your vocabulary and get rid of it? Don't think about fear of selling. Don't think about fear of being too pushy. Think about educating, and replace fear, replace selling with the word educate. Okay, you're educating your clients on things that you feel are more beneficial to them. But let's take it one step further. Sometimes the client still is going to be resistant, and that's totally cool. What you're doing, if you get a no is just practice, right? It's practice of how you can become better at what you're trying to do. So for example, if your client's hair, a female's hair is really damaged and needs a lot of love and care, that's the perfect time to start the experience and start educating them the minute before they even get their hair washed. You sit them down, you have the consultation, and you say, so-and-so, I really can feel your hair is a little bit on the, drier side, needs a little bit of love. We have a great shampoo and conditioner that I love this stuff. It really improves the texture and the quality of your hair because you really want to get it back in shape because we've done a lot to it, whether it's over processing through past color experiences or being out in the sun, whatever has been done to your hair, it needs a little bit of love. So we're going to use a shampoo conditioner today that I think is going to be essential for your hair. And then when you're done, we'll come back to my chair, we'll start the process of cutting, and then, we'll have some fun. So you want to plant seeds. You don't almost want to even sound that pushy in a sense. I'm not trying to sound pushy, but I'm educating them, and sometimes you can even cut it off and make it even more minimal by saying, hey, your hair's a little on the dry side. We're going to use a shampoo and conditioner at the sink. I think it's going to be really good for your hair. I think it's a perfect shampoo and conditioner to help rebuild the texture or the quality of your hair. So enjoy the shampoo, and I'll see you back in my chair for the cut. So just plant little seeds. Then after you're done, the client's done getting your hair washed, bring them over to the chair right here, and that's the perfect time to say, oh my gosh, your hair feels amazing, it smells great, that shampoo is awesome, and then stop. Don't talk about it again. After the haircut's done, you use styling products, all right? Now the styling products are, again, essential. Basically, you see where I'm going with this. At the very end, you wanna make sure that you're educating your clients on what types of services could be beneficial to them, whether it's shampoo and conditioner, whether it's a styling product, whether it's a certain type of shape up or a certain addition to your barbering service, like an enhancement or whatever it is. There's so many things you can use as an add-on that really can increase your ticket value. So I hope this really helps you guys. Just be yourself, be confident, because people are coming to you as the expert. And don't worry about it. If you get a no, or if someone doesn't want to buy anything, don't worry, but don't let it slip away from you. The one thing I see that happens the most is when the client goes to the front reception area to check out, and you're hidden in the back room somewhere, and you're peeking out going, are they going to buy anything? Are they going to, make sure that you continue the experience with them all the way to the very end, to where they're out the door. Hey, can I get the products for you? I'll bring them up for you, no problem. Here's what I used. Put the products on the desk or wherever the reception area is. Put it right there for them. Did you pre-book? I get very busy, blah, blah. Let me get your code for you. Let me get the door for you. You want to really make the experience. And trust me, it sounds like a lot, it might be overwhelming, and it comes from within your personality, but we're in the service industry, man. You really, really need to go above and beyond. So I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to check out Salon Iris, and I'll see you guys very soon with more videos from the Salon Guy.